Hello adventurers! Today, we're diving into the features of the Naturehike Ultralight Camping Cot, your ultimate companion for camping, mountaineering, and hiking. Crafted from aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum alloy, this cot is 67% stronger than ordinary aluminum, ensuring it supports up to 330 pounds with ease, thanks to its 5 sturdy support legs. Setting it up is a breeze, taking just 1 minute with the shock cord tube system, allowing you more time to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. The cot's breathable 300D Oxford fabric sheet offers a comfortable sleeping experience by sitting 5.9 inches high, protecting you from moisture and cold, while its anti-static properties keep dust at bay. Weighing only 4.8 pounds, this lightweight and portable cot can be effortlessly carried in one hand and stored compactly in its carrying bag, making it perfect for travel. With non-slip legs for stability on uneven ground and a noiseless design, it ensures a peaceful night's sleep whether you're camping, hiking, or even using it at home or the office. So, gear up for your next adventure with the Naturehike Ultralight Camping Cot and experience comfort like never before. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.